You know, sometimes you're in the mood for tacos, but you don't feel like dealing with shells cracking and toppings sliding everywhere. This is what I call the most hassle-free ground beef taco you'll ever make. All the seasoned beef, tomatoes, beans, and flavor cooked up in one skillet, but no shells, no fuss, just good eating. So let's make some up. Okie dokie, the first thing we're going to do is grab up a pound of ground beef and throw it into a pan over medium-high heat. Just kind of break this up a little bit. I can't find my breaker-upper thingy-dingy, but that's okay, a spoon will do. And we're just going to stir and fry this, like I say, over medium heat until we're basically cooked through and no longer pink. We are looking mighty fine here, so I'm going to shove everything to one side of the pan. That's the beauty of using a fairly large pan, and go in with a small chopped onion. Of course, as I do with most ground beef recipes, 3 cloves of the old chopped garlic. Stir and saute this until that wonderful aroma of onion and garlic fill the air and you know there's something cooking in the kitchen. Next up, throw in half a red bell pepper that I've chopped up. And we'll just go ahead and stir and cook this until that pepper begins to soften. Give everything a good mix together here. Oh, this is looking mighty fine already. Incidentally, I should have said you don't have to use a red bell pepper. You can use green or yellow, whatever you like. Then we'll season things up with a bit of salt, maybe, I don't know, about a teaspoon. Some ground black pepper, and if you know me at all, you know I love ground black pepper, so about a teaspoon and a half. Another teaspoon of cumin. Follow that with a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and I always say get the smoke because it is so much nicer than the regular. About a tablespoon of chili powder, and yes, I did say a tablespoon. And for some heat, somewhere in the neighborhood of about half a teaspoon of hot pepper flakes. And yes, you may have guessed it, we are making up taco seasoning. I guess you could buy it, but it is nicer homemade. Of course, give everything a stir around one more time, but it is smelling good with that seasoning, my friends. Next up is our liquid, so I'm going to throw in a 15 ounce of canned tomatoes, diced tomatoes, undrained. Then another 15 ounce can of black beans, drained and rinsed. Then another cup of good, rich beef broth. Of course, you guessed it, stir everything together fairly gently because you don't want to squash those beans, but we are coming together now. So just let this simmer away for about 5 minutes. Then we are going to put in 3 cups of wide egg noodles. And this is going to give it some body and kind of replace those shells we're not putting in or not having. Stirring we will go, and ironically enough, this is sometimes called a naked taco or a taco fry, but it is really hassle-free. Now we're all mixed up, I'm going to throw a lid on and let this simmer away for about 10 or 12 minutes until those noodles are cooked through. After about 10 or 12 minutes, we are pretty much done, and just look at this, guys. Doesn't it look incredible? And it's really got that taco smell. And of course, we're going to grab some up and put it onto a plate, but this is looking good. I mean, just check this out. Who couldn't resist? And you know what? We simply have to go over the top with some Tex-Mex, and it's really hot, so it's going to melt down into that taco mix. Wow. And to make that finito finish look, we're going to garnish things up with a bit of chopped parsley. And there it be, guys. It doesn't get much more simple. The most hassle-free ground beef taco you will ever make. You are simply going to love this. And you know what? You grab it up, bite into it. It does indeed taste like a taco without the shell. And if you do make this up, leave us a comment because I love to read them. And most of all, like and subscribe. It helps the channel out. And stay tuned Sunday for a pizza, a ground beef pizza casserole you will simply love. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we'll see you Sunday.